Hello. Today we are going to learn another word for your English communication. So the word which we are going to learn is acumen. We will see meaning, synonyms, antonyms from where the word is originated, and also we will have one sentence for this word. Let's see the meaning. What is the meaning? The ability to understand and judge things quickly and clearly. Okay, so synonyms. What are the synonyms? Insight, intelligence, keenness, wisdom. What are the antonyms? Stupidity, ignorance, dullness, poor judgment, foolishness. How the word is originated, or from where the word is originated. So the word acumen is originated from the Latin word accure, which means to sharpen. This verb is derived from the Latin word acus, meaning needle. And both words are connected to the idea of a sharp point, which is how the word acumen, that means sharpness of mind or insight, gets its meaning. Let us see one sentence. Sentences. She is a managing director known for her business acumen. So today we have learned the word acumen, and this word used in your communication also help your near and dear ones to use this word in their conversation. We will meet in the next video with another word in the EduMall Global. We help students to learn and become confident with their vocabularies, and they become smarter in their speaking skills. Farewell from my side. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye.